holidays!
Well, today is an exceptional event that's an annual event sponsored by Schnucks and taking place here at our Overland facility for Operation Food Search, where we're giving away up to 1,000 turkeys and turkey dinners.
We are a plethora of volunteers here from Schnucks out here in the cold weather, making sure that the food insecure people are getting what they need for the holidays. So in the bags are the sides, and then they get a turkey and also a dessert.
You've got your stuffing, you've got yams, green beans, corn, and then we've got brownie mix in there too. If we didn't have the teammates that are available to come on site and actually work with the public and get the meals packed, we wouldn't even be able to provide these 1,000 meals. So just having them here is invaluable.
It's always good to take the time out from our busy days. We all have it, but worthwhile experiences like this really mean something to all of us. Thanksgiving is a time for family, and so we know that this nourishes people's lives in not just nourishment, but serving their family and having that time together.
Volunteers play a significant role, and the volunteer effort here by the Schnucks team is phenomenal. I mean, it came out in droves, almost overran the entire place with enthusiasm and, more importantly, skill. Because people that work in grocery really know how to do this work with exceptional skill, and between that and the wonderful attitudes, it's been fantastic.
Come out next year. We want you guys back. We want everyone to come out and volunteer. Bring your friends, bring your family. We need more people because we want to serve more next year too.